So motorized lubrication unit of single phase. Here is 13 second is the on time and 120 minutes is the off time. You can set the on time off time with the help of this set switch. For increase the timing you can press the arrow key. For decreasing time you can press the down arrow key. Now we are setting the 1 minute is a 1 minute on time and off time is 0. By pressing the set key you can press up and down the parameters. Now it's set the on time is 14 second and off time is 1 minute. That means the 14 second will be the lubrication unit will on after the 1 minute. So 1 minute is the off time. You can see the pressure clearly. The oil is coming from the throttle valves. Its off time is 1 minute. After 1 minute this lubrication unit will be on for 14 seconds. Here you can see the parameters in seconds is the on time and right hand side the off time is in minutes. This is a pressure gauge. You can see the pressure in MPa and PSI. This is a throttle valve. It's used for continuous oil dropping. Now it's on time, starting second. The oil is continuous coming. The pressure is 1 bar above 0.8 MPa. Thank you so much.